Welcome back to the Elanix AI YouTube channel, where we help you save time, money, and avoid the headache. In today's video, I'll be taking you through a basic starter pack step-by-step tutorial on Manychat.com, and it's a platform that you can build automations on, showing you how you can transform your business with the power of AI. So let's get started right away. So join me in Manychat. The link will be in the description. So I'll first explain the UI, your dashboard, and just so you can have a good idea of what you can really do here. Let's close this. So let's go to the home page. This is your home page. You'll be able to create new automations from here. You can also see with this little banner on top that they've recently introduced TikTok. And why this is so game-changing is TikTok is, I think, the biggest social media platform. It has a huge number of people on it, a huge audience, and the virality is the biggest out of all the social medias, right, in terms of blowing up. So your customer base and your opportunity on TikTok is something you need to get into if you want to grow your business online. So this is going to allow you to build agents for TikTok. That is a big thing. I just want to show you the pricing, if that's possible. As you can see, you have the marketing automation, the basic plan. A lot of my clients opt in for this one at $15 a month. Although I do recommend Manychat AI at $29 per month, you get more benefits. The biggest one of that being the AI system, so you're allowed to use knowledge bases and all of those cool things. And then Inbox, this is maybe at a later stage for you, but I would recommend the AI one for now. Link in the description, like I said. But it's I digress. Let's continue. Then you get your contacts. So your contacts would be everybody that your agent engages with, whether that's on WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook. And this is really helpful because it would basically build a profile for each customer that interacts with you, messages you. So you'll have their gender if that's displayed, their language, their time, and then you'd also have custom fields. Now the custom fields work is if you have an agent that collects name, email, phone number, birthday, even documents, it would all be stored in there. So it's going to almost be like a mini CRM built into this type of thing. Then the automation tab is where we'll be spending our time. You build automations, basic automations. So this is really just your simple things like welcome messages, default reply, and then your sequences. The cool thing about a sequence is it's basically like some steps that a user will follow, but you get to choose when they'll access that sequence. So you can have a sequence for someone wanting to buy something and a sequence for someone wanting a refund, and that can be in one agent. So we'll touch on that probably in another video. And then live chat is where you can monitor in real time your agent communicating, interacting with your customer base. Whatever type of communication is going on, you'll manage it from here. What's also awesome is if it is within a 24-hour time, I think for WhatsApp, not sure for Messenger and TikTok, but what you're able to do is, as you can see, the agent that I've built here is replying to myself. I was testing it out. I'm able to take over, and send a message. Let's close that from the chat agent. There you go. Right now, that's incredibly important because a couple of high ticket clients that I've worked with, they need to be able to take control. So as soon as that gets to a certain point, they want to be able to message from the chat agent's profile. Super valuable, super neat. Broadcasting, this comes to things like WhatsApp groups and Messenger groups where you can broadcast to all your subscriber base. So if you're a content creator or an e-commerce store, you're having a winter sale, this is the place that you'd go. Okay, I'm going to walk you through some of the settings. This is, you can clone your account, your time zone, account templates. So that's cool. We'll basically have all the automations and everything as a template, and you can maybe even sell that if you really want to. Notifications, there's nothing much I can really explain there. Team members, this is important. Whenever we work with customers, we get them to sign up on Manychat, and they add us to their team, and that allows us to build and maintain the chat agents in their Manychat platform. So team members is really important, especially if you have an engineer or an IT guy that's on your company. Have him on the team. Then your logs. Okay, that's just your warnings and errors if your automation isn't working or it's breaking. Billing. This is your subscriptions, what you're buying, and all of that. Display. You can change some settings there. And then your channels. This is where you connect your agent to the various different platforms they offer. As you can see here, from SMS to Instagram, it's all up to you. I think WhatsApp is the most difficult one to set up, so I might make a video on that. And then your extensions, APIs, super useful if you have to connect this to make.com. The opportunities are endless. We are able to automate an entire process in Manychat from make.com, but that's a whole other thing. Integrations, this is also pretty cool. You can integrate ChatGPT, Google Sheets, like a make.com type of thing, right? Payments, this is another big thing. You are able to get paid from your chat agent. So if you're selling products, your chat agent can actually send a little product widget saying, would you like to buy this, or are you interested in this product? And they can actually buy or pay you directly through the chat, which is pretty neat. And that seems to be everything. Templates, once again, I think templates is really just, let's actually take a look here what the templates look like. Okay, I don't know, but there you go. You got a free contact. So I use this account because on the free plan, so I can show you that for completely free. You don't need to pay anything. You get 1,000 contact limits, which means if you maybe work with us, we build you a basic chatbot, you'll have 1,000 contacts to work with completely for free. That's a lot of value. And I hope this helped. I think that's pretty much it to kind of get you moving around in Make. Oh, let me show you the most important part, how to make an automation. You click new automation, start from scratch. I'm just going to show you very high level what you can do here. We're going to click on a new trigger, and we could say as soon as a user sends us a message, we can detect a specific word. So we'll just put in hello. As soon as they send a message and it contains hello, then the next thing will happen, and we'll say, hey there. You're going to open a curly bracket, and you're going to get your system fields, basically like variables. What's really cool is, as you can see here, these are specific to the user you're dealing with. So if I say first name, that's going to be from their profile, their first name. Okay, and then we can do various other things with this, right? AI step. So if you buy the AI plan, you'll be able to work with the artificial intelligence. What will happen there is they'll even have intention detection. So you won't have to really build out these huge complicated flows. You can just tell it, hey, do this for someone that wants to buy a product, send them to my website, and it's going to do that for you, making your job a lot easier. Let's delete that. You can add conditions. Conditions are basically if or statements. So if the person says yes, do this. If they say no, do this. Actions, that's like taking them somewhere. Randomizer. So this is a cool thing to play with. It's going to do a random path every time. So maybe you could do like a little competition, right? And you could say in your intro message, choose a number between 1 and 5, and then you randomly pick if they get a winning prize or something. Smart delay, a lot of clients like this feature when I tell them about it, because a smart delay does what you think it does. It makes it feel more human. You know, when the chat is delayed by even 10-20 seconds, it's not so instant, and it feels a lot human, so a lot more human. What else can we say here? Actions. Here you go, your actions, add tag, delete contact. You can explore this. It's a lot of fun things you can do. But that's how you do it. You'd set live when you're done with your automation. What's cool is you can preview it. So if you're just testing it out, while you're building it, preview it in Manychat. But if you're almost done and you really want to see if it works, do it in Facebook or WhatsApp, whatever platform is down there. So hey there, first name. As you can see, it's doing what it needs to do. So there you go. I hope this helped. A very, very beginner tutorial just to get you taking those baby steps so you can understand fully how this platform works. In the next video, I'll probably do an in-depth tutorial. Maybe I'll do another client demo. I'll build out maybe something like a lead qualifying agent. So stay tuned for that. Link in the description for Manychat below. If you need an agent like this or any other automation for your business to help you save time, money, or avoid the headache, click the link below and we can get talking. Have a good one.